Good morning. We're going to take a look at our 2017 Cobalt R-7. Take a look at the outside, then we'll take the covers off and go on the inside. Volvo outdrive with a dual prop, trim tabs, speakers, the fold down swim platform. Take a look at the hull for you. White hull, I don't see any flaws, scratches. Boat does have an arch with a bimini that comes off the arch, front and back. Hull looks good. Hull looks very good. Take the cover off. We'll go inside. We'll take a look. Looks like the boat has underwater lights, black bottom paint, access lights on the back. A picture of the swim platform folded down. See the ice on it. Okay, so we come up. See the upholstery's in good shape. Has a flip seat in the back. Back also comes up to make a seat. There's a ski pole that goes in there. There's the bimini that goes up on the top. The upholstery is in very good condition. There's a storage box cooler under that side. This boat does have the dual display Garmin's, the 7607s. Does have the stereo, trim tabs, the lighting with the dimmer, has a Volvo Penta display. This boat has an original 18 hours on it. It is a marine head. Forward seating. Flip seat with storage. The upholstery, very nice. Does have the snap-in carpet. Bolster seat. Give me a second and I'll open up the engine box. Okay, the engine. Volvo 380 V8. Has the Volvo coolant, dual batteries. There's your shower, radio out back. As you can see, engine compartment looks like it only has 18 hours. Engine virtually new. This is our R-7. Thank you.